We showed you the Steakhouse Butter Burger. Today we're gonna show you the Smash Burger. Yeah! That's right, smash burgers. To do it is really simple. It just requires a few easy ingredients. Chopped meat, some regular old processed American cheese, and a hamburger bun. We're gonna add some onions in there. I like to use 80-20 ground beef, which means 80% lean meat, 20% fat. It gives it a lot of flavor. It lets it cook in its own juices really beautifully. On sale with some American Wagyu. It's cheaper than the regular stuff, so we're gonna use this. Whatever you have, 80-20, use it. It's great. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up on the video if you like what you saw here, please. Now let's get cooking. Now, to get these burgers the way we want them, you gotta have a really hot fire going. So, on this grill, the vents are on the side, so I'm gonna open up the vents all the way, okay, for maximum airflow. If you have a Weber, it's got the control on the bottom, Big Green Egg, it's on the bottom, same thing with the other Kamado style cookers. You want some airflow, you wanna get a nice, hot fire for this. Charcoal time, let's get this grill ready here. So we're gonna pull out these grates. Now, as you can see, we still got some charcoal left from last time that we cooked. It's still good, there's nothing wrong with this charcoal. We can use this again. We might add a little bit on top of it, but you know what? We got a pretty good amount. I'm just gonna add a little bit on top, throw a fire starter in, and get this stuff burning. Time to prep the meat. We got our charcoal lit and it's getting nice and hot for us. So this is a 16-ounce package, which means that it's 1 pound. We want to form 4-ounce little burgers, and we're gonna make them into balls because we're making a ball, put it in the pan, and then squish it down. So you're probably saying, oh, that's a little bit small. I don't want it that small. Well, we're gonna make some double cheeseburgers because I'm feeling crazy today. You don't want to pack it too much. You just want to kind of form it. So if you can roll it or whatever you got to do, just trying to get it into a ball-shaped thing there. Again, does not have to be perfect. All right, grates are on, fire is heating. Time to put the pan on. Get the pan nice and blazing hot. All right, we're gonna cut some onion. Start by cutting it in half and just cut it in slices. Some people don't use oil. I like to use a little bit of oil. Not a ton, just enough to smother the bottom. Smother, I think that's a word, right? All right, here's how you test it. Take a little water on your hand, sprinkle it in. Oh yeah, see that popping away? This sucker's ready. It is going. We're gonna drop these burgers in now and leave them as a ball. One. You can hear that sizzle. It's gonna be good. We gotta work quick. So here you put your salt on while it's still on a ball. You're leaving it as a ball for I know they call it a smash burger, but we're gonna smash it in a minute. We're gonna smash it down and mash it and woo! Good stuff. All right. Smashing. These burgers are going to be just smashing. We want that crust to build, so we're going to let them sit on there for quite a while. Just drop some onion in. It's all a quick process here, people. It's all a quick process. You dump some onion in around the edges. Oh, yeah. It's okay if it goes on top of the burgers, too, you know. Okay, we're going to hit them with a little more salt. Okay, and now we're going to pepper them. Got to have salt and pepper. Go to this one. Nice little smattering coating of it. If you want them even flatter, give them another squish. Doesn't matter. I like mine to be really pretty flat. So keep squishing them. The reason I use the 2 pieces, if I just use this, it kind of flexes too much. This gives me a nice solid smash down. You know, like I said at the beginning, we really didn't need to add oil. I like to add a little bit, but this was really fatty, so we have a lot of liquids building in the bottom here. So let's check to see what the crust looks like. Oh yeah, we're ready for flipping. We're gonna flip this baby, ready? Oh yeah. Woo-wee. Seems to be a little hotter back here, so I'm just gonna switch these 2 burgers. Nothing wrong with switching them when you have a hot spot. Look at this. Oh. Are they even buns if they're not toasted? Let's throw those on there. Set another set here. This is all fast work, folks. Fast work, and it's hot. Woo! Then right after the flip, you gotta put the cheese. These are ready. All right, so let's pull them off here. Look at that. Oh, there's one. And like I said, we're making double cheeseburgers here because we don't mess around. Whoa, boy. Let's get some onions on these burgers. Time for to finish the assembly here. So we're gonna put a couple pickles on each one. Oh yeah. This is burger heaven, folks. Burger heaven, I'm telling you. Like I said before, these are just gonna be smashing to eat. Get it? Because they're smash burgers, so they're smashing. And now, the last one. Ketchup. Gotta have the ketchup. Okay, now that was a hot pan on a hot grill, would you say? You saw that beautiful black crust that formed on there? It's really dark brown, black. Deliciousness. That crust equals flavor. That's what you want. Now, this burger, you're not looking for a medium rare. This is not gonna be your medium rare steakhouse burger. This baby's cooked all the way through. It's thin. The rest is why we put a double, because they cook down to much smaller. You're starting with a 1/4 pound patty. It cooks down to a lot smaller than that. The onions, the pickles, everything. Oh my God, it's so good. I can't wait. I think it's time that I bite into this and just take one for the team and try it out. Yeah. Yeah. Smash burgers rule. God. Yeah. Yeah, you need to make these. You need to make these like tonight. Get done watching this video. Get done watching the video. Then go out, get the stuff, make these tonight. Oh man. You know, the burgers like we made the other day, if you can see it, catch that video. Delicious, you know? Much different than this. This is a working man's burger, you know, if that makes any kind of sense. It's just so good. The flavor of it cooking in its own fats and juices, that char on the outside, the little bit of saltiness, you get that pepper, but the onions for me are key. They come out beautifully. Some are gonna get burned, some won't. But anyway, listen, subscribe to our channel. It's the Fogo channel. You don't want to miss anything. We've got a lot of great stuff coming up. We're coming into summertime. We're trying to do some grilling basics and show you some new methods of doing things. I hope that you enjoyed this because I've really been enjoying this little series we've been doing. A little bit simpler barbecue, a little bit simpler grilling for you. Hopefully you'll learn something. Leave us a comment down the bottom. Give us a thumbs up on the video, all right? I want to thank you so much for tuning in for another week of the Fogo Life. Remember to get out and grill, and we'll see you next time.